In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome background into a moving or GIF background. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by searching for Chrome Web Store in Google or by going there directly if you already know the page. The Chrome Web Store is where you can safely browse and install add-ons that change how Chrome looks or works. When you are in the store, use the search bar to look for wallpaper extensions. A popular option to search for is Live Start Page. Extensions like this are designed to let you add animated backgrounds, moving wallpapers, or GIF-style visuals to the page you see when you open a new tab. As you browse the search results, make sure you are choosing an extension that clearly supports live wallpapers or animated backgrounds. After you find the extension you want, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show you a pop-up asking for confirmation before installation. Review the prompt, then continue with the install, if everything looks correct. In general, it is a good idea to look at the extension reviews and description first, so you understand what features it offers and how it changes your browser. Once the extension is installed, follow the extension's setup instructions to apply the moving background. In most cases, the extension will take over your new tab page and give you options to choose or upload an animated wallpaper. That covers everything you need to know.